Select the indication for which a progestin is used alone without combining with an estrogen. Threaten abortion. Side effects of cyclic progestin therapy include all except irregular bleeding. Addition of progestin for 10 to 12 days every month to cyclic estrogen replacement therapy during menopause is recommended because the progestin prevents irregular bleeding and blocks increased risk of endometrial carcinoma. The following is beneficial in endometriosis: norethindrone, nafarelin, and danazol. Select the drug which is administered orally, causes cervical ripening in pregnant women to facilitate surgical abortion or induction of labor. Mifepristone. Mifepristone possesses the following activities: potent antiprogestin plus weak antiglucocorticoid. Which of the following drug is an antiprogestin? Mifepristone. The most important indication of mifepristone is first term abortion. Administration of mifepristone in the late luteal phase induces menstruation. Which of the following can act as a single dose postcoital contraceptive? Mifepristone. The following regimen is preferred for non-surgical termination of pregnancy in the first 7 weeks: oral mifepristone followed by oral misoprostol. The most popular form of hormonal contraception is combined estrogen plus progestin oral pill. The purpose served by the progestin component of the combined estrogen plus progestin contraceptive pill is suppression of ovulation, prompt bleeding at the end of the course, blockade of increased risk of endometrial carcinoma. The progestin used in combined oral contraceptive pill is a 19 nor testosterone derivative because they have potent anti-ovulatory action of their own. In which of the following forms of oral contraception pills are taken continuously without interruption? Mini pill. A progestin and an estrogen are combined in oral contraceptive pill because they both synergize to suppress ovulation. The regimen used for postcoital emergency contraception is levonorgestrel 0.5 mg plus ethinyl estradiol 0.1 mg taken twice 12 hours apart. Levonorgestrel 0.75 mg taken twice 12 hours apart, or mifepristone 600 mg single dose. The most common and important undesirable effect of injectable contraceptive depot medroxyprogesterone acetate is disruption of cyclic menstrual bleeding. The primary mechanism of action of the combined estrogen and progestin oral contraceptive pill is suppression of FSH and LH release. Parathormone receptors are expressed on the surface of osteoblast. The drug of choice for hypoparathyroidism is vitamin D. The currently used injectable hormonal contraceptive contains long-acting progestin. Which of side effect of the oral contraceptive subsides after 3 to 4 cycles of continued use? Headache. The most suitable vitamin D preparation for vitamin D dependent rickets is calcitriol. Oral contraceptive use increases the risk of occurrence of the following diseases except endometrial carcinoma. Concurrent use of the following drug is likely to cause failure of oral contraception. Rifampicin. Health benefits afforded by the combined estrogen progestin oral contraceptive pill include the following except lower risk of myocardial infarction. On stoppage of the combined estrogen progestin contraceptive pill, fertility returns after 1 to 2 months. Centchromane is oral contraceptive for women. The following has been found to act as male contraceptive without affecting libido or potency, that is gossypol. The following contraceptive acts primarily by interfering with implantation of blastocysts. Centochromane. Select the tissue that is most sensitive to oxytocin. Myoepithelium of mammary alveoli. Actions of oxytocin include the following except vasoconstriction. Oxytocin is essential for milk ejection reflex. Oxytocin is preferred over ergometrin for augmenting labor because it has brief and titrable action. It is less likely to cause fetal anorexia. It is less likely to impede fetal descent. The vitamin that is regarded to be a hormone is vitamin D. The following is not a feature of hypervitaminosis D: spontaneous fractures. The following drug can cause rickets in children by interfering with vitamin D action, that is phenytoin. Bisphosphonates are beneficial in the following conditions except rickets. Bisphosphonates are indicated in the following condition: osteoporosis. The drugs that can be used to treat osteoporosis are raloxifene, alendronate, pamendronate. Select the drug for which the following instruction must be given to the patient: to be taken on empty stomach in the morning with full glass of water, to remain upright and not take any food or medicine for 30 minutes. Alendronate.